भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। On page number 51 in Tika, first paragraph, last line. I had told you I will see if there is anything of that sentence. Nacha jnanasya swanivartakatva anupapattihi. Here jnanam is brahmakara vritti and its purpose is dvaita nivritti. Everybody knows where I am? Its purpose is to do dvaita nivritti. Other than that, jnanam has no vyapara. In that, the question was whether this jnanam will remove itself or not. If it does, nivartaka, nivartya, both bhava will be in the same jnanam. Means it will be remover and it will be removed. Eliminator, eliminated. That is a virodha. So this line says jnanasya swanivartakatva, in that there is no anupapatti. Means jnanam can remove itself. How? So simple example Bhagavan Bhashyakar has given in Atmabodha. Kritva jnanam swayam nashyet jalam katakarenu. Katakarenu removes all the dirt from the water and also subsides. And the other example I think is given in Yoga Vasishtha, like a piece of wood. You use it to burn everything else, then you throw that piece of wood also in all the burning conflagration, so it will burn everything. So this next vakya should be understood in that way. Swapara virodhinam bhavanam bahulam upalambhat This Brahmakar vritti is paravirodhi in the sense it burns everything else. It is swavirodhi also, it will burn itself also. And such examples are there. Bhavanam means drashtantanam, such examples, such cases are very well known. Bahulam upalambhat. Sometimes they say swapara nirvahakanam. Swapara nirvahaka are also many. Here it is swapara virodhi. Swapara nirvahakas are many, like the best example is swadhyayo adhyetavyaha. One should do swadhyaya. This is vidhi vakya in Veda. This vakya enjoins study of rest of the Veda. This vakya also enjoins study of that vakya itself. So it is swanirvahaka, paranirvahaka also. Like that, Brahmakar vritti can remove everything else and can remove itself. Actually, when it removes everything else, Antahkarana is removed. Pancha Mahabhutas are removed. Pancha Mahabhuta Karya is Antahkaranam. Antahkarana Karya is Brahmakar vritti. So then, Karanashat Karyanashaha, everything else will go. In that way, we should understand that Vakya. Now, page number 52. So we saw the first line in Tika. Yuktam sarpadinam rajvado bhranti pratipannanam pratishedhat asatvam. In Rajju, sarpadi which are bhranti pratipanna, bhrantya pratipanna, bhrantya jnata, they are mithya, their asatvam is accepted, their negation is known. But in Atma, Antaprajna, Bahishprajna means I am Jagrat Pramata, Swapna Pramata. They are not mithya. How can you say they are their pratisheda, means that they are mithya? Like Sarpa Udakadhara, they are equivalent to that. Iti Shankate Bhashya. Katham punar antaprajnatvadinam atmani gamyamananam rajvadau sarpadivat pratishedhat asatvam gamyata iti uchyate. How punaha, katham punaha antaprajnatvadinam, this antaprajnatva etc., which are experienced in Atma, means they are experienced, recognized in Aham. Atmani gamyamananam rajvadau sarpadivat pratishedhat asatvam. Their asatvam because of pratishedha. You may say, I am not antaprajna. But you cannot say antaprajna is mithya. Antaprajna does not have satta. See, in Rajju, Sarpa, Rajju is not Sarpa, you can say. In the same way, Atma is not Antaprajna. This sentence you can make. Then you say Rajju is not Sarpa, Sarpa is not there. There is no Pratibhasika Sarpa. Pratibhasik Sarpa Utpatti is there. But Pratibhasik means it is not Vyavaharika, let us say. Just whatever is a Satta of Rajju, that is not the Satta of Sarpa. So here we are saying whatever is the Satta of Atma, that is not the Satta of Antaprajna, Bahishprajna, etc. Purvapakshi says, how do you say they are asatvam? So asatvam means From paramarthic standpoint, they are asat. असत्वं कथं गम्यते इति उच्यते भाष्य. प्रामाणिकत्वस्य असिद्धत्वात् युक्तम अंतःप्रज्ञत्वादीनाम असत्यत्वम इति परिहरति. प्रामाणिकत्वस्य असिद्धत्वात्, देयर प्रामाणिकत्व इज नॉट देयर, मीन्स दे आर नॉट प्रमाण सिद्ध. जैसे सर्प इन रज्जु is avidyaka, not pramana siddha. In the same way, antaprajna bahishprajna, they are not pramana siddha. That's what, therefore they are mithya. You say, what do you mean by not pramana siddha? Pratyaksha pramana, anumana pramana. They say, I am jagrat pramata. Uchyate. Now he does anumanam. Vimatam, continuing tika. Vimatam, asatyam, vyabhicharitvat, sampratipannavat. This is the anumanam. Vimatam, asatyam. What is paksha? Antaprajnatwadi. Because asatyam will go with antaprajna only. That will be the anumanam. Antaprajnatwadi, they are in vimatam, that is paksha. What is sadhyam? Asatyam is sadhya. What is drashtanta? Sampratipanna is drashtanta. You will say, what is sampratipanna? Sampratipanna means whatever is agreed by both Purva Paksha and Siddhanta Paksha, that will become sampratipanna. Mutually agreed. So he says, you take any mutually agreed drashtanta, I don't care. Which is Vyabhichari. If it is Vyabhichari, it is asatyam. Because hetu is Vyabhicharitvam. What will be the Vyapti? Yatra yatra Vyabhicharitvam, tatra tatra asatyatvam. So wherever there is Vyabhichara, like Rajju Sarpa, is Vyabhichari, is asat. Like that, Antaprajna, is it Vyabhichari or not? This is the question. We say Antaprajna is Vyabhichari. Why? Because Antaprajna is not available when Bahishprajna is there. Bahishprajna is not available when Prajnanagana is there. Or Antaprajna, Bahishprajna, both are not there when Prajnanagana is there. In this way, they are Vyabhichari. Bhashya. Jnaswarupa. Jnaswarupa visheshe api itaretara vyabhicharat rajvadaviva sarpadharadi vikalpita bhedavat sarvatra vyabhicharat jnaswarupasya satyatvam. Jnaswarupa visheshe api. Jnaswarupa means Jnana Swarupa or Jnapti Swarupa, which is Atma. Atma Swarupa alone is Jnana Swarupa. So Jnana Swarupa avisheshe, in Antaprajna, Bahishprajna, Ubhayata Prajna, Prajnanaghana, in all of them, Atma is avishesha, means Atma is present in all. And that Atma is Jnana Swarupa. So Jna Swarupa avisheshatvam is there in all of them. But Itaratar Vyabhichara is there. When Bahishprajna is there, Antaprajna is not there, Prajnanagana is not there. Aprajna is not there. Like that. Itaretar Vyabhicharat. Like in Rajju. Rajju is present in all Bhrantis. Sarpa Bhranti, Udakadhara Bhranti, Danda Bhranti, etc. Rajvadaviva Sarpadharadi Vikalpita Bhedavat. But Itaretar, there is Vyabhichara. Person who sees Sarpa doesn't see Danda. One who sees Danda doesn't see Udakadhara, Sarpa, Mala, etc. So Itaretar Vyabhichara is there. Rajvadaviva Sarpadharadi Vikalpita Bhedavat Sarvatra Avyabhicharat. But Sarvatra Avyabhichari is Jnaswarupa. Jnaswarupasya Satyatvam. Anyasya Vyabhicharat Mithyatam. So that's why Hetu was given. What is Vyabhichari is Asat. Now you see in Tika. Tasya Avishesho Avyabhicharaha. Tasya Avisheshaha. Jnaswarupasya. Jnaswarupa is Avishesha. Its Avyabhichara is there. Tatra Rajvadaviva iti udaharanam. So there udaharanam is Rajvadu. Rajvadi are also avyabhichari. Antapragnatvadinam itaretar vyabhichare nidarshanam sarpadharadi iti. This is simple and Tika makes it more simple. And sometimes Bhasha is simple, Tika is tough. You will see later in Karikas when it comes in 3rd chapter and 4th chapter. Upadhi. In Anumana, so far we are not seeing Upadhi and all. Just simple Vimatam Asatyam, Vimatam Satyam, etc. Then he will, Tikakar will bring, a Tippanikar will bring Upadhi. Antapragnatvadinam itaretar vyabhichare nidarshanam sarpadharadi. Nidarshanam in drashtanta. The antapragnatwadi which are mutually vyabhichari, their example is sarpadhara, etc. Another anumanam. Vimatam satyam avyabhicharitvat rajvadaviva. Rajvadivat. Vimatam satyam. What is Vimatam? Jnaswarupam. Now you see, in the previous Anumana, Vimatam was Antapragnatwadi. Here Vimatam is Jnaswarupam. Somebody says, what is this? Earlier you said Vimatam means Antapragna. Now you are saying Vimatam means Jnaswarupa, Atma. You are confused. Vimatam means wherever there is Viruddha Matam. It can be here, it can be there, depending upon whatever is the Paksha. So, Jnaswarupam Satyam, Avyabhicharitvat. Rajvadivat, like Rajju is Avyabhichari. Sarvatra Avyabhicharat Jnaswarupasya Satyatvam. Tika further. Tasya cha satyatve. Tasya atmanaha turiyasya jnaswarupasya satyatve sarvakalpanadhishthanatva siddhiriti bhavaha. It is sarvakalpana adhisthana that siddhi takes place. Iti bhavaha. Avyabhicharitva hetoho asiddhim shankate. Avyabhicharitva hetu is asiddha hetu. Purvapakshi is saying that. So this Purvapakshi is probably Nyaya or Shunyavada, they all. How? He says, Sushupte Vyabhicharati iti chet. In Sushupti there is no Atma. Jagrat, Swapna, all other avastha, Atma is there. But in Sushupti, it is not there. Therefore, Atma is avyabhichari is not true. Iti chet na. Tika. Na tatra chaitanyasya vyabhicharaha. In Sushupti, Chaitanya vyabhichara is not there. Why? Sushuptasya sphurana vyaptataya sadhaka sphuranasya आवश्यकत्वात् इत्याह. सुषुप्तस्य स्फुरण व्याप्ततया. In sushupti, sushupta purusha, spurana is there. Then only when I wake up, then I know I had slept. And that in sushupti there was sukham, there was jagat abhava, anubhava abhava, other anubhava, dvaita anubhava abhava. All this is known only when there is jnanam. Spurana vyaptataya. So sushupta is spurana vyapta. Means sushupta is vyapaka. Spurana is vyapta. Yatra yatra sushuptatvam tatra tatra spuranatvam. Spurana, like Vanni is dhuma vyapta. So wherever there is dhuma, Vanni is there. In that way, Sushupta is pervaded by Spurana, Jnanam. Sadhaka Spuranasya avashyakatvat. Sadhaka Spuranasya avashyakatvat. What does that mean? No. Is that the meaning of the question I asked? Sadhaka means? But Sushupta Sadhaka, the one which will do Siddhi of Sushupti. Sushupti is there, how will you know? So Sushupta Sya Sadhaka. That's Spurana. This is, see, Sushuptasya is sixth case. Sadhaka Spuranasya is sixth case. But this is, what do they call? This is not Samana Adhikarana. This is Vyadhikarana Shashti. Sushupti Siddhi is done only if Spurana is there. So Sushuptasya Sadhaka Spuranasya. In Sushupti Sadhaka Spurana has to be there, Avashyakatvat, in Sushupti. Then only I will say there was a state called Sushupti. If there was no Jnanam in Sushupti, how will I say there is Sushupti? So Jnanam is there, that Anubhava is there. Okay. Bhashya. Na Sushuptasya Anubhuyamanatvat. See, because Sushupta is Anubhuyamana. If Sushupta is experience, that means Jnanam is there at that time. Sushupte Sadhaka Spuranasya. See, it is clear now. Sushupte Sadhaka Spuranasya Sattve Pramanam Aha. In Sushupti, the Sadhaka Spurana, if you want, you write down there. Sushuptasya, previous line, and Sadhaka Spuranasya is Vyadhikarana Shashti. They are not in the same Adhikarana. Like if I say Dasharatha Putrasya Ramasya Pattabhishekam, दशरथपुत्रस्य रामस्य पट्टाभिषेकम, दिस इज समान अधिकरण षष्ठी, बिकॉज दशरथपुत्र इज राम, Rama is Dasharatha Here it is not like that. Sushupta is not sadhaka sphurana. Sushupta sadhaka sphurana is Atma. Sushupte sadhaka sphuranasya sattve pramanam aha. In that there is a pramanam. What is that? Nahi vignatur vignater viparilopo vidyate iti shrutehe. नहीं विज्ञातुर विज्ञातेर विपरिलोपो विद्यते. विज्ञातुहु, what is प्रातिपदिका and what is विभक्ति? What is प्रातिपदिका? विज्ञात्री, ऋकारांत, and what is the vibhakti? षष्ठी. विज्ञातेः, what is the pratipadika and what is the vibhakti? अरे दिस इज सिंपल व्याकरण. Okay, do you know any similar quotation? नहीं द्रष्टुः द्रष्टेः विपरिलोपो विद्यते. You remember that quotation? So there, drashtehe, what is the pratipadika and what is, or it is same, drashti. So here what will be the pratipadika? Vijñātihi. Vijñātihi is the pratipadika and Vijñātehe is षष्ठी. Vijñātuhu is Vijñātri shabda, Rikaranta, Trach pratyanta rupam, it's षष्ठी. And Vijñātihi is the shabda, pratipadika, Vijñāti. Prathama will be Vijñātihi, षष्ठी will be Vijñātehe. Viparilopo na vidyate. In Sushupti, this is where they give this quotation. In Sushupti also, there is no Viparilopa of the Jnanam, Vijñātihi. So, the knower's ability to know does not have lopa, does not disappear, does not decay. Iti shrute hai. टीका. निषेध शास्त्र आलोचनया निर्विशेषत्वं तुरीयस्य उक्तम्. तदेव हेतुकृत्य ज्ञानेन्द्रिय अविषयत्वम आह. Now, so antapragnam bahishpragnam, that is done up to napragnam. Now adrishtam avyavaharyam, those words are being explained. Nisheda shastra alochanaya, by dwelling on the Nisheda Shastra, Turiya is nirvishesham, nirvisheshatvam turiyasya uktam. That is done. Tadeva hetu kritya. Keeping that as the hetu. Jnanendriya avishayatvam aha. Jnanendriya, this turiya is not Jnanendriya Vishaya. That is said, Ataeva Adrishtam. Therefore, it is Adrishtam. Drishtasyaiva Arthakriya Darshanat Adrishtatvat Arthakriya Rahityam iti Visheshanantaram aha. Drishtasyaiva Arthakriya Darshanat. Arthakriya Karitvam is there only in Drishta. Drishtasya eva Arthakriya Darshanat. Adrishtatvat Arthakriya Rahityam. Adrishtatvat, so that which is adrishta is not available for Arthakriya. One number tippani says Arthakriya means heya upadeyatva rahityam ityarthaha. Arthakriya actually are four. Abhignya, Abhivadana, Heya Upadeya and Arthakriya Karitva. In this way, four are generally given in Vivarana. Vivaranakara has given. But here only Heya Upadeya is taken. Adrashta. So Adrashtatvat Arthakriya Rahityam. Iti Visheshanantaram aha. Now another Visheshana. Yasmad adrishtam tasmad avyavaharyam. Because it is adrishtam, so drishta will have arthakriya karitvam, heya upadeya. If it is adrishtam, means jnanendriyehi na drishtam. Therefore, avyavaharyam. Therefore, you cannot do any vyavahara. If jnanendriyas do not know something, how will you do any vyavahara? Adrishtam iti anena agrahyam iti asya paunaratyam pariharati. Then somebody says, okay, the next word is agrahyam. Adrishtam, therefore agrahyam. It is the same thing because grahya can be jnanendriya grahya. So agrahyam means jnanendriya hi agrahyam. He says no, karmendriya hi agrahyam. Agrahyam is karmendriya hi. So it is not jnanendriya vishaya. It doesn't become prameya of jnanendriya. It does not become prameya of karmendriya. Means karmendriya also cannot know. And it is avyavaharya. So there is no other vyavahara possible. Then he says alakshanamiti ayuktam. Next shabda is alakshanam. Alakshanam is not right, Purvapakshi says. Why? I know the lakshana. Satyam jnanam anantam ityadi lakshana upalambhat. Such lakshana is available. Upalambhat iti ashankyaha. Alingam iti. In Bhashya, alakshanam alingam iti etad anumeyam ityarthaha. Sorry, iti etad ananumeyam ityarthaha. Alakshanam means ananumeyam, alingam. So satyam jnanam anantam is lakshanam. Bhashyakar has said this is lakshanam and this lakshana is swarupa lakshanam. But this swarupa lakshana is actually vachyartha. So Brahma is not vachyartha of anything. So you have to take lakshyartha of satyam jnanam anantam shabda. That lakshyartha is Brahma. इत्यादि लक्षण उपलम्भात. Then further you see, alakshana means alingam. But he said there is a lingam in Tika. Ko hyevanyat kaf pranyat ityadi linga upanyasa viruddham etat. There is a linga. What is the linga there? Linga means linga for anumanam. Ko hyevanyat kah pranyat. Yadesha akasha anando nasyat. If the Ananda Swarupa Atma was not there, who would breathe every day? Who would put forth this effort to live? If there was no Ananda, why would we live? Means we want to live because there is some Ananda, some Sukham. So this Linga Upanyasa, this Linga is presented in Shastra. So your Vakya is Viruddham. लिंग उपन्यास विरुद्धम एतत् इति आशंक्याः. Ananumeyam. What is meant here is there is no anumanam. What is the Amrita Bindu Upanishad shloka mantra which says that this is not available for anumana. Nirvikalpam anantam cha hetu drishtanta varjitam. There is no hetu, there is no drishtanta. Therefore ananumeyam. Only anumana if you do, Atma Satchidananda Swarupa, then what hetu you will give? Avyabhicharitvat satyam, jnapti swarupatvat jnanam. What is sadhya, that itself you are giving as a hetu. Because what is satyam? Is a avyabhichari. And drashtanta will be only vyatireka drashtanta. That's why hetu drashtanta varjitam. There is no real drashtanta. Whenever vyatireka drashtanta is given, it will never be a complete anumanam, really speaking. Anyway. So, ananumeyam. And therefore, only Shruti Prasiddha. Further in Tika, Pratyakshanumana Vishayatva Prayuktam Visheshanantaram Aha. So now Pratyaksha is eliminated by saying it is not Jnanendriya Vishaya, Karmendriya Vishaya, Avyavaharya. And by saying Alakshanam, Anumana is also negated. Pratyaksha Anumana Avishayatva is mentioned. Avishayatva Prayuktam Visheshanantaram. Now another Visheshana is given. Atayeva Achintyam. Therefore it is Achintyam. Mano Vishayatva Abhavat eva. Shabda Avishayatvam. Because you cannot think through mind about it, therefore it is not Shabda Vishaya. Therefore you cannot describe. Vani, speech, requires the support of mind. If mind says, I have understood, I know it, speech will say, I will describe it. If it is mano vishayatva abhav, means manasaha avishayatvam, then Shabda also will say, forget it. That's why yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha. Speech went to describe it. When mind came back saying, I don't know, then speech said, I also cannot go then. So, Shabda Avishayatvam. Shabda pravrittehe tat pravritti purvakatvat ityaha. Shabda pravritti is mana pravritti purvaka. If mind can reach there, then Shabda can reach there. If mind doesn't have pravritti, Shabda also will not have pravritti. Ityaha atayeva. Atayeva avyapadeshyam shabdaihi. And therefore it is shabdaihi avyapadeshyam. Through Shabda, it cannot be described. So words also cannot describe Atma. Tarhi yathoktam vastu nasti eva. Then this is shunyam. Because it is not jnanendriya vishaya, not karmendriya vishaya, not vyavahar vishaya, achintyam, not mana vishaya, not vyapadeshyam, shabda vishaya. Shunyam is exactly this. It says no. Tarhi yathoktam vastu nasti eva pramana abhavat. Because there is no pramanam, then Siddhanti says no. Ityashankyaha ekatma pratyaya saram. It is the sara of eka atma pratyaya. Now what is the meaning of ekatma pratyaya saram? जाग्रदादि स्थानेषु एको यमात्मा इति अव्यभिचारी यह प्रत्ययस्तेन अनुसरणीयम्. जाग्रदादि स्थानेषु, in जाग्रत स्वप्न सुषुप्ति, there is eko ayam atma. There is one atma present in all. Iti avyabhichari yaha pratyaya. This pratyaya, atma pratyaya is avyabhichari. That pratyaya saram means that pratyaya tena anusaraniyam. You should follow that pratyaya. That is the meaning of ekatma pratyaya saram. So this is known through anvaya vyatireka. That there is anvaya of atma in all avasthas, and there is vyatireka of antaprajna, bahishprajna ityadi. So the avasthas, their vyatireka is there, and avasthavan, their vyatireka is also there. The one who is avasthabhimani, its vyatireka is there. But the one which is present in all as adhishthanam, that continues no matter what. So through anvaya vyatireka, this can be known. Atma pratyaya is avyabhichari. Tena anusaraniyam means tena anveshaniyam. You should do anveshana. You follow that. Enquire with the help of this. This is first meaning. Now, in Tika. Actually, here you have to put tippani number 3. That parokshartha vishayataya is third number tippani. Paroksha ityadi. Pramana vishayataya. Pramana avishayataya means parokshartha vishayataya. Visheshanam, vyakhya, व्याख्याय अपरोक्षार्थतया अपि व्याकरोति. So first explanation of ekatma pratyasaram is atma as parokshartha vishaya, and the second now athava he will say as aparokshartha vishaya, means atma is aparoksha. First, taking atma as paroksha, he defines ekatma pratyasaram. Second is aparoksha. What does that tippani say? Tippani says pramana avishayataya. Paroksha means pramana avishaya. Because it is pramana avishaya, you do anvay vyatireka. In this way you try to understand. Nahi, in tippani, nahi sakshi jnanam pramana pariganitam iti. Sakshi jnanam, what is known through sakshi is not pramana. Now he says, vastutastu vyakhyan dvaye vailakshanya bhanam ashankya vailakshanyam vyavasthapayan avatarayati parokshartha vishayataya. So seeing that the two explanations are different, two explanations given by Bhashyakara about ekatma pratyasaram, they are different. Therefore, Tikakara gives this introduction that parokshartha vishayataya I have explained, Bhashyakara has explained. Now aparokshartha vishayataya he explains further, athava, or because in the second one he is going to give shruti pramanam. So in the first explanation, anvay vyatireka, our anubhava is pramanam. I myself see that I drop all identities in sushupti, and from one state to another state I don't take anything. So everything is vyabhichari. What is avyabhichari is Atma. In this way, without the help of Shruti also you can come to this understanding. This Atma is Brahma. For that Mahavakya already was there. Ayam Atma Brahma. So to know Atma, I can just use Anvay Vyatireka. And then Atmanaha Brahmatvam is through Shruti. This is how it is said in Panchadashi, in the first chapter. What is said? Itham Satchit Parananda Atma Yuktya Tathavidam Param Brahma Tathavidam Param Brahma Shrutyanteshu Padishyate. This should be 8th, 9th shloka, 7th maybe. Itham Satchit Parananda Atma Yuktya. In this way, Atma is Satchit Parananda is explained through Yukti. For Atma, Atma is Sat, Chit and Ananda Swarupa. Yukti is enough. Tathavidham Param Brahma. And Brahma is also Satchit Parananda. Tayoho Aikyam. Shrutyanteshu Padishyate. So Param Brahma is revealed by Shruti. Atma Brahma Aikya is revealed by Shruti. But Atma is Satchidananda is known through Yukti. Very nice. We have so many things, we can go on dwelling. But if we dwell on things which are not worth, then we'll waste our time and life. So, athava ekah atma pratyayah saram pramanam yasya turiyasya adhigame तत्तुरीयम एकात्म प्रत्यय सारम. Now the second meaning he says ekaha atma pratyaya. One atma pratyaya is saram. Saram means pramanam. Yasya turiyasya atma turiyasya adhigame. In turiya jnanam, atma alone is pramanam. Atma pratyaya is pramanam. And that turiyam is itself eka atma pratyaya saram. In this Shruti Pramana he gives. So first let us see the Tika. अपरोक्ष आत्म प्रत्ययस्य आत्मनि प्रमाणत्वे बृहदारण्यक श्रुतिम उदाहरति. अपरोक्ष आत्म प्रत्यय, in that आत्मा is प्रमाणम. अपरोक्ष आत्म प्रत्ययस्य आत्म प्रत्यय, in that atma is pramanam. How do you say? It says Brahadaranyaka Shruti. Atmetyevopaasita. Atmetyevopaasita, 1 number tippani. Atmetyevopaasita is Vidya Sutra 147. Brahadaranyaka. Atra iti shabdaha तत्प्रत्यय अविषयत्वम आत्मनो बोधयति इति बोध्यम. अत्र so atra shabda is not अत्र इति शब्दः शब्द तत्प्रत्यय अविषयत्वम आत्मनः. अत्र शब्द is not seen here. If you want me to check the अत्र इति शब्दः शब्द तत्प्रत्यय आत्मेत्योपासित. अच्छा, after that, okay, so they have given quotation only part where atra is there in that quotation. Atmetyopasita. Atra in there, atra iti shabdah shabda tat pratyaya avisayatvam atmano bodhayati. Atma is not vishaya of shabda or pratyaya. That atma you should inquire. Upasita is not upasana. Upasita means vijignyasasva. So one should try to know that in that way. टीका. यच्चाप्नोति इत्यादिना परिपूर्णत्वादि लक्षणस्तावद् आत्मोक्तः. यच्चाप्नोति यदादत्ते, then यच्चास्य संततो भावः तस्माद् आत्मेति कीर्त्यते. So this Vishnu Purana vakya is there. Apnoti adatte ityadi, that is the lakshana of Atma. Aptri dhatu for pervading, vyapti. Apnoti means vyapnoti in that way. Paripurnatwadi lakshana. Atma is paripurna lakshana. Lakshanah tavad atma uktah. Atma of this nature is mentioned. Sacha Vang manasa titah. Vang manasa atitah. Vang manasa atitah. How manasa shabda is formed? Anyway, you think first. Let me finish that sentence. Manasa atitah shrutibhyaha avagataha, known through shruti, beyond speech and mind, known through shruti. Shrutibhyo avagataha tam eva ekarasam paramatmanam pratyaktvena grihitva. That atma vastu alone, ekarasam paramatmanam pratyaktvena grihitva, which is known as one's own self. That alone I am, which is beyond speech and mind, but it is known through shruti. Shrutibhyo avagataha tam eva ekarasam. Ekarasam, always the same. Paramatmanam pratyaktvena grihitva tannishthah tishtati. Abiding in that one stays. Iti atmagnyah is iti atmanah avasthatraya atitasya. That atma which is beyond the avasthatraya atitasya turiyasya. That turiya atma aparoksha nitya drashtitvam turiyasya. Turiya atma is aparoksha nitya drashti. Shrutitaha drashtam. Through shruti it is seen, it is recognized. So it is aparoksha and nitya drashti. There is no viparilopa. Avasthatraya atita. So here it ends. Now how does that vang manasa atitaha is formed? Manasa atitaha, how that shabda will be created? See, manas shabda is there. Manas shabda, manasa atitah, vang manasa atitah, vang manas. If you do samastapada, vang mano bhyam it should be. Speech and mind are two. It will be dvivachanam. Vang mano bhyam atitaha it should be. Because tritiya vibhakti you have to take, right? Manasa, you cannot take tritiya of only mind. It is samasa with speech also, vang. So it will become vang mano bhyam. No, here this vang manah, these two together, manah will become akaranta shabda. Even though manah is sakaranta shabda, manah will become akaranta shabda. There is a sutra. This is the biggest sutra in Laghu. Sutra is achatura vichatura suchatura stri pumsan dhenvan anvaduha kshamavang manasa kshi bhruva dara gavau urva shtiva pada shtivananta divaratrir divahar diva saraja sanishreyasa purushayusha dvayayusha trayayusha rigyajusha jato kshama hoksha vruddho kshaupashuna gosthashvaha. This is the sutra. 5477. 5477 says, these shabdas, they become akaranta shabda. Ach pratyanta ete shabda. Nipatyante. These shabdas will be ach pratyanta. So they will have ach pratyaya, they will end up in a. You can read the tika on this sutra. It is given if you have the app. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.